Right, so hello everyone. I know it's been a while between vlog posts, but pretty much we've been busy. I'm trying to explain best our absence from the vlogging world is that we've been doing this thing called Christmas shopping and just generally being busy in the silly season, so please forgive us for our lack of uploads. I'm actually putting together something right now. Well, by the time I've put this in, it'll be finished. This is actually a piece of archival footage that I shot back in the long weekend of June. It's the Gosford Car Museum. It was my birthday weekend and Beck decided she'd take me out and spoil me for a little bit of fun. Yeah, sit back and enjoy. We will probably return to our regular weekly vlogs probably sometime after New Year. So please bear with us and Okie Cat Productions will return. Thank you.